Alright, this is how you color splash using Lightroom. So I have my picture here. I'm going to color isolate the orange here, her top, her apparel. I'm going to go to my settings over here to the right side, the edits, and then I'm going to scroll down to the color mixer. Yours may not appear like this, so go ahead and click color mixer. Make sure you're on saturation. Yours is probably on color because I think it defaults to that. And then what I like to do is I like to go everything to 0. I know I'm going to use the red and the orange, but I just want to make sure that there's no other colors that I want to use. You see there's no purple, there's none of that. So now I don't have to use anything from green to magenta because I know there's nothing in there pretty much. So I'm going to pull it out, go to 1. You can either do this, go to 0, tab, 0, tab, 0. So you see there's yellow in the leaves a little bit. Sorry, in this the mulch here, the wood chips. There's a little bit on her dress, just a slight touch of yellow on her dress, on her top. But there's really no green, nothing else. It lights up the green in the background. I'm sorry, you can see the green comes in. So I'm going to leave everything else out. Now I'm going to isolate everything. But you see, that's why I call it color isolation instead of color splash. The color splash kind of makes you think it's only one color, but here we have 3 colors, right? Let me put that to 0. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go right here to this tool, the masking tool. Click on it. It gives you all these options here. You're going to click brush, and you're going to make sure your density is 100 and your flow is 100. Your feather is up to you. The feather is a softening of it, and of course the size of it. Okay, but I don't want a soft. I want a hard brush because I want to erase everything other than her top and her skin. So I'm pretty much going to do that. Then I want you to also do this. Once you do that, click on it over here. These are probably not open, so I want you to go to where it says light and make sure this exposure is at 0. Mine was jumped over here. And then also scroll down. You're gonna, let's close that up. We're not gonna use that. We're not gonna use color. And I'm closing those. And I'm sorry, is it under color? I forgot already. Yes, it is under color, sorry. Open up color. And then under hue, why are these? I need to turn those off. Sorry. Hue saturation. Oh my gosh, where did it go? I just had it. Hue saturation. Let me scroll down. Oh, right here. Sorry, saturation. Put that all the way to 0. So when you erase the mask, see it's all black and white. So go in there and erase everything. Command plus, it zooms in, right? And you're gonna erase everything. Just be careful. See, that's why I use a hard brush, because the soft brush would have bled in there. So it's creating a mask. All right. And then once you do that, I always like to go bigger brush. Oops, sorry. I don't know what happened. It's getting a delay here. Bigger brush. Let me go back to my brush here. And then you go in there and erase it. Once you finish erasing everything, just for the time purposes, I'm going to now save it. Okay, you're gonna save it or export it as with your color splash. And the way you do that, you just go here. You're gonna save it JPEG large. Okay. Sorry, for time purposes, I can't erase the whole thing. I can't even do the speed to speed it up. And then save it where you have it. It'll automatically save to Lightroom Save Photos, but I like to put them where I want them. Right, color splash, create, and then export it in there. And there's your process. And then it'll save it there. So let me just double check. Go to my desktop, color splash, and then double click. And it should have, see, those are the latest changes. If I would have done the whole thing, but just to show you guys how it's done. That's how you do a color isolation, color splash in Lightroom. So try that for a few projects, do it before and after, and then let's see what it looks like on your blog. Rewind anything if you missed any steps.